Alright guys, so today it's Thursday. Pretty much we have 30 more minutes or so until market close. Vinco Ventures stock is up 10%. Second half of the day, it's having a bit of a gas to hit these resistance levels that we discussed in many pretty much videos back here. So this zone, this blue zone right here, is a resistance zone I'm watching for this stock. So basically, if the stock is able to get above $8, then that's a really good sign. Let me switch to daily chart. On a daily chart, you can see we after hitting these 1250 highs, it's pretty much sold off and it came down. And we talked about this stock possibly forming this cup and handle. So basically comes like this up to this $12 level, pulls back, and then breaks out. So far looking good. If we basically get above this level, maybe chop around here, that's fine. But this is very pivotal resistance to me personally. This look at it. So this support zone has been acting as a resistance 2 days here. It acted as a resistance here, and now we are testing that level once again up here. So is it going to be able to get back above this level and push higher? If it does get above that level, next level of resistance would be this $9.50. So that's the next level I'm watching if we get above. And also we talked about the moving averages earlier on previous videos, that the stock is above its moving averages now. Let's take a look. So also looks like it got above its 20-day as well, which this blue line right here. So looking good. And also, what about the MACD? So if we pull up the MACD, just to see what's going on with the momentum. So, and also we're going to take a look at the option market as well. But if we pull up this MACD at the bottom of this chart, you can see we are getting bullish crossover. So last time we had this bearish crossover, which was a sell signal, and then here this was the bullish signal right here. And ever since pretty much momentum started going crazy and stock made a sharp move. But let's see if MACD and signal line, it will be able to get above zero line, because it's still below zero at the moment. If that happens, then that's really a good sign for the momentum, because momentum has been for the past 4 days to the upside, and it has been closing green, except yesterday it closed pretty much flat. And today we have like 40 minutes or so until market close, and stock is pushing higher, 12% or so, with a decent volume. So what about the option market? So if we take a look at the total volume, you can see 308,000 calls were traded and 68,000 puts were traded. So clearly there are 4 times more call activity. And if we just filter out by the biggest orders that came in so far, you can see there are a lot of calls coming in that are for November, $4, $5 strike prices. There are even $15 strike prices for November, $7.50 calls for this week, $7.50 calls, 23 calls for October 22nd, $10 calls, $20 calls. So there's a lot of bullish bets coming in for this stock. So let's see what it does. If there's any change from here, from this resistance levels, we'll definitely cover. But as a support, I would use this breakout of this 650 basically as a support, because looks like today it bounced off of this 650 as well. So above, as long as stock is above 650, looks good. If it does reject from here, I would watch at that level as a first level of support. So it looks like it bounced maybe at 645 today, but so that's the support level I'm watching for the stock. So hopefully it was helpful, entertaining. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Peace.